then and the ref.
So we are papa. Obian kai papa no obeye no. Obian kai. Na so ya bone baako. Obian ref.
Be kai da. Obepa ho Chelsea. Obepa ho Chelsea.
Na no so akoye nipa su ene ne ban.
Me amabre, ma pa Chelsea. Eba no kwa dia mu experience my bre. My pa Chelsea. I Asempa. Yeah.
Papa no wo ye no koso aye.
Koso na ye.
Obian kai pa. Twedian po hata soro.
Sa obekai. But ye tie ne say no sa no so ye fa futuo. Emma obia say. Obia ye papa sa ne boni baako pe no. Eno. And now the one for there be Nyabotre. From so when
US Secretary General.
Yeah.
Okay, Asempa. Around that time, I a man appointment in the 90s. Now, I granted interview. I remember it was on Joy FM.
Yeah.
And also, I want fancy him. And I know we use white board our classroom home. Into 2 tiny by no. And I then black marker no. Ebe dot. Be our blackboard in the far baby. And of fear says so be some more classroom home. What do you see in front of you? Students will be answer, I see a black dot.
Yeah, black dot. So white.
Obia say I see a black dot. Nobody answered say I see a black dot on a white board.
That be white in the ref.
White board.
That be. There's a black dot.
Tell me you.
Nada.
Black dot to na school phone in asu meaning that white kakrakano papa kakrakano wa hone de.
That be.
Na mo mboni tuntum ketekete no atwa papa ni mu no.
And
obi ehu.
Sanete. Kodidina kakra so watadiem. Na se nya atadie no mo. Asempa. And as well. I was watching another and watch channel no. Cause one na papa no. Wom say papa wo ye ni nyina obi ankai. Ana boni no obi aso refi it as well. Good morning. 6 minutes to the top of the hour. Hi, Adom 106.3 FM. DwasoNsem, my dear. The Democrats are by a bonnet too. Now, I'm not sure about Dwaso. The Daily Guide newspaper and a crummy banner headline of the Daily Guide and a massive fire rocks Makola. And a fear of dog ranks from fix the country at the NDC tag and also Ewaha. Nana rescues Siamese twins. And we must put Ghana first. I know, and what the front page of the Daily Guide.
The new crusading Ghana page. Now, Adom rescues conjoined twins is here. And I think so government to award 85 million Ghana cedis new scholarships. And so Alan Chamantin donates 20,000 to build MPP voter regional office. It's also here on the front page of the new crusading guide.
Daybreak newspaper, Freedom in Truth. As the committee probes assaulting soldiers, and First Lady pushes for nutritional goals. Akufo-Addo meets journalist Thursday, and also Ewaha.
Well, I'm not who someone is here or Makola, the Daily Dispatch at the Atwenimha. Difficulty in fighting Makola fire. The 3-story building had only one entry and exit. Fire service for and nobody says the Atuja. Also here on the front page of the Daily Dispatch, government takes up 15 million cost of separating conjoined twins. Is also here on the front page of the Daily Dispatch.
The Finder newspaper and next, Afenyo Makin donated police station 2 vehicles to police and road crashes death hit 1,454 in 6 months, and also the front page of the Finder. The
inside the worker Tana pay front page. Totobi Kwache. He blames Akufo-Addo for insecurity and killings in Ghana. And a demonstration alert. U.S. Embassy warns citizens in Ghana. There's a U.S. Embassy. Ghana Hanum na wabona this year. Koko. Say and then you be so no. Obi ahwani hu ye. Obi ahwani fie. Oye broni US ni. Now ha. Empie.
Any braba. The Business and Financial Times. I'm going to ask. Say public servants see lowest pay rise in a decade. And no, and the big one. That the Business and Financial Times.
Well, there's an interesting story here on the front page of the Chronicle. And I pay Ghana National Fire Service imports obsolete equipment. And struggles to dose Makola fire.
Obsolete fire.
Obsolete fire.
Obsolete fire.
It's on the front page of the Chronicle. And then there's another story. Government, okay, Uber driver beheaded at Feyase Ashanti.
In fact, very sad.
Joy Online.
Very sad.
Very sad.
Very sad.
Toyota this brand new one 2021 registered. No matter.
Yeah, unity officer. Very bad. But by close of day, no much in Pabako. I must say, or no, a Muku. Uber driver. Again, I need to say, I ask it's about 3 minutes to the top of the hour. What join here? Just a word of caution to the demonstrators. And it is true, sir, Omania Bre, Omo person would demonstrate. March for justice. Yes. But demonstrators at the end of the day, Omunche ye, no muni ye bianco provoke police for no. Omunche ye, no muni ye bi. Oman shut down ko yen yo mebia just say omodi ko so police for na she na omunye bibini abekase Ghana Police Service oman be bobania what's in pampan it is very very important. Yeah,
must say a peaceful match.
A peaceful match.
The peaceful na mombra.
That's right. Petitioner modi kono monfan ko na mon present and mon make sure say nipa dudu na eba beka mo hono omunyina be follow guidelines amodiato. It is very important.
And then again, se be pima na paya no se akwa boy. What didn't see pizza for hushemwa trafie.
That's right.
Maybe I'm push you. You are on your own. Asempa. Na se wo pemwa. Won kwa na baby abenya mo no free. Enti besi na what didn't see pia fine. If you are ready and you are willing to join, you are free. Join them. It's your right. But emobia nada. Very
important. Fellow Ghanaian demonstrator, over to you. Wake up, any day ball. Obianka said demonstration, menko. But work on making sure, sir, you obey all the rules, the guidelines are yediato. It is very, very important. Because police want to so bano. Amo ba peacefully, said the beya, omo ba be bomb ho by. But if you provoke them, they also have the right to defend themselves.
See, take care of yourself. People can drive miles to come and bury you, but can't cross a street to help you.
Asempa no wakano. Full stop. Abusia. Ahaya Adom 106.3 FM. DwasoNsem Jumadinia de Brewe. Up next, as the news at 6. I'm not sure about Josewa. Begia Kunya. Fire too. And that's why we need to question Asempa. Good morning. Right after the news, yeah, Beba. Now for the health segment and all the others. Yeah, the Beba. My referee said, Ghana Kosei. On my head, Kwabna Sante. Baba joining ye. Now for Yabo and Nsem. This is what my